Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
This tutorial shows step-by-step how to open any QR code with a phone. First, unlock your phone and open the camera app from the home screen. Make sure you allow camera permission for scanning when the system prompts you. Hold the phone steady and keep the QR code centered in the viewfinder. Fill about 1/3 of the frame with the code for reliable reads. Wait 1 to 3 seconds for notification or link to appear on screen. Tap the notification to open the linked content in your browser or app. Most modern phones include a built-in QR scanner inside the camera app. When the camera reads a code, a small notification appears with the link or action. Tap that notification to open the QR link in your default browser or app immediately. If your camera lacks QR support, install a reputable QR scanner app from the App Store. After installing, open the app and grant camera permission when asked to enable scanning. Configure scanner settings to open links directly or show the URL before opening it. To scan a QR code on a computer, use your phone camera to capture the screen code. Alternatively, use a webcam QR reader tool or a screenshot-based scanner app on desktop. Always verify the visible URL or domain shown in the scanner before tapping to avoid malicious sites. If a code opens unexpected downloads or asks for permissions, close the page and do not grant access. Avoid scanning codes from unknown flyers, emails, or suspicious messages to reduce fraud risk. When in doubt, type the known site address manually into your browser instead.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.